My people, na do. Now we don't come my channel before. Welcome back. If today be the first time they reach my channel, say now today be the first time they take your two koro I see me and I be this. Welcome to my channel. My name na Soma. Before I continue, make a remind you now. You see that red button there where they write subscribe? Click that button, make you subscribe. After that, make you click the bell sign so that anytime I upload new video, you will hear the notification say I do upload new video. Now so when I do it. My people, today I want to read you some kind of Tori waiting for inside news. So for this one, the news say Air Canada park plane forget passenger where they sleep inside. One woman said they leave her alone for Air Canada plane after she sleep as they fly. Tiffany Adams say she sleep inside the flight from Quebec to Toronto on 9th of June. When she wake up, cold they catch her and she still dey buckled into her seat, but the plane don't park. She say she dey experience bad sleep when no dey end for night since the incident happened. Air Canada don't confirm say it happen. Say them they torchlight her. Madam Adams talk for Facebook say she wake up around midnight, few hours after the flight land, with serious cold for her seat inside darkness. She said the experience no gel at all. She managed to call her friend Dale to let her know where she dey, and her phone died less than 1 minute as they make the call. She no see way charge her phone as the plane be done shut down. Madam Dale called Toronto Pearson Airport and tell them what happened to Madam Adams. As she dey on board, Madam Adams managed to locate torch for the cockpit of the plane and attempt to attract attention. Now one person with the carry bag see her and she claims say that one dey in shock. Madam Adams say the Air Canada staff offer her limousine and hotel, but she no gree as she won't sharply go her house. She adds say people from Air Canada don't call her 2 times as part of investigation and apologize. Air Canada confirm wetin Madam Adams talk to different Tori people and say them dey torchlight am. How na? Who can I see this guy thing? No, how person go fall? Make it one thing I say, how person go take sleep where they sleep deep reach where we say play land, you don't even know. Everybody they come out, you don't even hear, you don't even notice, you never even notice that is don't people don't they come out, say the plane don't land. And on top of that one, the person will sit down near and not be better person. How you go sit down near somebody for inside plane? The person they sleep, plane stop, you don't even feel, you don't even get the mind to come out for inside plane. You know if you wake the person say, madam, plane don't land. Be see the kind different kind of human being where they this word. How you not go wake person waiting by your side for inside plane? I never see this guy. You know, and even all the air, what did they call the air hostess and all the attendants, none of them notice say this person. I just say when plane land, when everybody they come on, normally they go check line by line, sure say everything don't correct. The thing weak me, but think another thing again. You know, say sometimes when they say some people forget something inside plane. Maybe they say now as people they come out, all the air hostesses and the men and women, boys and girls, where they work inside plane, say they go line by line, they check seats whether people forget things. How they go take forget human being inside plane? The thing be as you get, it be as you get. How could they say this guy? So now my person enter plane, he go tell his neighbor say, in case I fall asleep, I beg wake me when the plane land. You don't reach like that. You know, say that thing they happen for inside moon, so I wake when they fall asleep. We even conductor go they shout. Sometimes even conductor they shout say, you when they sleep, you never reach your stop. They do one not to talk of inside plane. Now wow, this guy thing. Now read one. Make I read another one for now way day for inside the not another one about airport again. Port Harcourt International Airport trap passengers after Air Peace plane speed past runway. Trap passengers. Hey. Now wow. So, flight to and from Port Harcourt International Airport no resume for more than 24 hours after one Air Peace flight P47291 from Abuja speed past the airport runway due to heavy rain. One passenger was supposed to fly from Port Harcourt to Lagos on Sunday afternoon tell BBC Pidgin say many passengers just trapped inside the airport as flight attendants tell them say they never remove the aircraft wey get accident on Saturday afternoon. Na im make flights never resume. I reached airport around 12 o'clock Sunday afternoon, but up till now, after 3 o'clock in the afternoon, nobody they attend to us. Flight attendants, they tell us passengers say no plane don't fly in or fly out of the airport since today. Precious is a talk. Herienta Yakubu, wey be talk person for Federal Airports Authority of Nigeria, FAN, tell BBC Pidgin say na the Nigerian Air Peace Management Agency, NAMA, closed the airport and them never open am since after the Air Peace incident. Now NAMA go decide when it go reopen, she add. Madam Yakubu say na just after 3 p.m. on Sunday, na im dem move out the Air Peace Boeing 737 500 aircraft wey be run past the Port Harcourt International Airport runway on Saturday afternoon. The fan tok person say the airport supposed reopen shortly after dem don finally remove the aircraft and clear the runway, and she beg passengers to get more patience. Eze say im suppose go do MC work for Lagos on Sunday evening, but now im dey cry out say the no-flight operations don spoil im business wey im don already chop full payment to deliver. BBC Pidgin find out say the airport authorities dey try to make sure say dem no cancel the Lufthansa international flight wey suppose fly on from Port Harcourt International Airport. Tori be say na shortly after the incident wey involve Air Peace on Saturday, na im Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria bin assure passengers say dem dey clear the runway and flight operations go resume immediately. Just like Precious Eze wey no know when e go reach Lagos on Sunday, and so many other business wey suppose connect to and from Port Harcourt Airport don chop disappointment inside wetin many passengers bin expect say e no go take long to resolve. Already many airlines don cancel flights, but only Air Peace to Abuja na im don check in passengers. One person wey survive Saturday incident post the video for Twitter. Port Harcourt International Airport dey for Rivers State, southern Nigeria, and a major route for many people wey dey do oil business for Niger Delta region of Nigeria, and Nigerian government still dey rely heavily on oil business to survive. So for another news again, this one say Lagos Badagry Expressway na national disgrace according to passenger. Na international road wey connect Nigeria and other West African countries, but plenty years of abandonment don turn the road to another thing. Movement along the border highway don turn another thing after bad roads, floods cut off some parts of the road. The road wey be international road dey connect Nigeria to other West African countries, but years of abandonment don spoil the road, so tey life don become hard for people wey dey use am. The CEO of the Federation of the West African Chambers of Commerce and Industry, Aminua Akadiri, tell BBC Pidgin say the road don spoil business well as goods from other countries no dey fit move freely along the road again.
It's a national disgrace. It's a disgrace to this country, the country that is purported to be the giant of Africa.
With this road at all, we plead to the government to do something for us.
This is the underbridge for Lagos International Trade Fair, waiting for Lagos Badagry Expressway. This is a very important road for Nigeria because it connects the country to other West African nations like Benin Republic, Togo, and Ghana. But people they vex where we're here today because they tell us for over 1 year now. This now waiting their eye they see for this road.
The road is very bad. Just tell the government to come to our aid. We are suffering. We don't see food, we don't see money, we don't see roads, we don't see water, we don't see light, nothing.
When they take eye see don't pass person eye because this Badagry Express road, it don't turn to another thing.
I'm working at Burkina Faso, Benin Republic. Past 1 month, I started journeying. They said me after Badagry Linka Road. That's why I saw this bad road. The way I go in, my motor is spawning. They assigned me, the one that you go in, you reach here, it comes for worst.
It affect my business well. Why does it affect my business? Before we go here like 2-3 trips, but now 1 trip now they go.
My people, I go leave today's video for there. Una do well say una come watch my video. Until next time, my people, una bye bye you, una bye bye.